Okay, hello everyone. So, sa video po na ito, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-solve ng system of linear equations in two variables by elimination method. Okay, so let's start. We have number 1. Okay, so the system of linear equation 3x minus y equals 5 and 2x minus y equals 7. Okay, so the first step is to solve for x. Para ma-solve ang x, i-eliminate natin or tatanggalin muna natin yung y. Okay, so para ma-eliminate yung y at ma-solve ang x, mag-iisip tayo ng paraan kung paano ma-eliminate ang y. Okay, so kung i-add natin yung dalawa, i-add natin yung equation, negative y plus negative y is negative 2y. Okay, so hindi na-eliminate ang y. Okay, so mag-change tayo ngayon ng operation. So gagawin natin, i-subtract natin yung equations. So, kung isusubtract natin negative y minus negative y, ang magiging sagot natin is 0. Okay? So, makakancel yung y. Okay? So, subtraction ang gagamitin natin. So, 5 minus 7. Okay? So, rule ng subtraction is to change the sign of the subtrahend. So, kung positive ang 7, gagawin nating negative. And then, proceed as in addition. So, pag mag-a-add tayo ng integers, okay, pag same sign, i-add lang natin. Pag different sign, isa-subtract. Since different ang sign, positive ang 5, negative ang 7, so subtract natin. Okay, so 7 minus 5, the answer is 2. Okay, and then, copy the sign of the bigger number. So, the bigger number is 7, which is the sign of 7 is negative. Okay, and then kukopyahin lang natin yung sign ng mas malaking number, which is negative. Okay, and then equals, now negative y minus negative y, okay, based sa rule ng subtraction, change the sign of the subtrahend. So, ang subtrahend natin is negative y, so negative mapapalitan ng positive, and then proceed as in addition. Okay, negative y plus positive y. Okay, then the answer is 0. Okay, or makakancel na yung y. And 3x minus 2x equals 1x, or kapag 1 ang numerical coefficient, automatic na yon na 1. Okay, which is hindi na natin inilalagay. Okay, pwedeng x na lang ang sagot. Okay, so now the answer is x equals negative 2. Okay, na-solve na natin yung value ng x, which is negative 2. And this time, isa-solve natin yung value ng y. Okay, we're going to solve for y. Okay, para ma-solve ang y, pipili tayo dyan sa dalawang equation na yan, o isa sa equation, at isa-substitute natin yung value ng x, which is negative 2. Okay, alinman sa dalawang equation na yan, pwede natin gamitin. Same lang din yung makukuha nating sagot. Okay? So, pero this time, ang gagawin ko, ang gagamitin kong equation is the first equation, which is 3x minus y equals 5. Okay, and then, papalitan ko yung x ng negative 2. So, 3 times negative 2 minus y equals 5. Okay, then simplify. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6 minus y equals 5. Okay, and then simplify, we're going to solve for y. Okay, so ang equation natin ngayon is negative 6 minus y equals 5. Okay, para ma-solve ang y, ilalagay natin sa my left side ang may variable na y. Okay, so we have negative y. And then, ililipat natin yung mga constant doon sa my right side. So, yung negative 6, ililipat natin sa my right side. Okay, so ang gagawin ko dito is iti-transpose ko yung negative 6 doon sa my right side. Okay, so this time, i-rewrite ko muna yung constant na 5. And then, saka ko ililipat yung negative 6 doon sa my right side. So, negative 6, papalitan ko ng sign, which is negative, mapapalitan ng positive. Okay, and then, negative y equals 5 plus 6 is 11. So, meron tayong negative y. So, para maging positive, ang gagawin natin is imumultiply natin siya both left and right side of the equation ng negative 1. The negative 1 times negative y is positive y equals 11 times negative 1 is negative 11. So, ang value ng y natin ngayon is negative 11. Okay, since nakuha na natin yung value ng x which is negative 2 and ang value ng y is negative 11, ang solution ng system of linear equation natin ngayon is negative 2, negative 11. Okay, next, let's have another example. The system of x equals negative 3y plus 8 and x minus 3y equals 8. Kung mapapansin ninyo, hindi siya nakaayos sa standard form. Okay, para ma-solve natin yung system of linear equation and two variables, kailangan nakaayos sa standard form which is ax plus by equals c. Okay, so x equals negative 3y plus 8. Change natin sa standard form. It is in the form of ax plus by equals c. So, yan yung susundan natin. Okay, so equals, write natin, and then the constant 8 doon sa c. Next, yung by natin is negative 3y. So, nasa may right side siya ng equation. Ililipat natin siya sa may left side. Okay, rewrite muna natin yung x. Okay, and then yung negative 3y, lipat natin sa my left side. So, negative 3y magiging positive 3y. Okay, so naging standard form na x plus 3y equals 8. And then, so since yung pangalawang equation natin is naka-standard na, ikakopy na lang natin. So, x minus 3y equals 8. Okay, again, para ma-solve natin yung system of linear equations and two variables, kailangan naka-standard form ang mga equation. Okay, so ito na yung gagamitin natin ngayon. The system of x plus 3y equals 8 and x minus 3y equals 8. Okay, so the first step is to solve for x. Okay, para ma-solve natin yung x, ang gagawin natin, i-eliminate muna natin yung y. Yung may variable na y. Ang may variable sa equation natin ay positive 3y at negative 3y. So, mag-iisip tayo ng paraan para makancel ang y. Okay, kung ipa-plus natin or ima-minus natin ang dalawang equation. Okay, so sa example na to, para makancel yung y, ang gagawin ko is i-add ko yung dalawang equation. So, 8 plus 8 equals 16. Then equals, now, positive 3y plus negative 3y. Pag nag-a-add tayo ng integers, pag same sign, i-a-add. Pag different sign, isusubtract. Since different ang sign nila, positive 3 at negative 3, isusubtract natin. 3 minus 3 is 0. Or ika-cancel na lang natin yung 3y. Okay, x plus x equals 2x. Okay, so since wala tayong nakikitang numerical coefficient ng x, it is 1. So, 1 plus 1 equals 2x. Okay, so next, 2x equals 16. Para ma-solve ang x, i-divide natin siya both side by 2. And then, 2x divided by 2. Makakancel na yung 2. And then, we have x. And 16 divided by 2, the answer is 8. So, now, ang value ng x natin is 8. Okay, next, isa-solve natin yung value ng y. Okay, para ma-solve yung value ng y, pipili tayo ng isa sa equation na yan, isa sa dalawa sa equation, or kahit alin man dyan sa equation na yan, and then isa-substitute natin yung value ng x which is 8. Okay, so ang gagamitin ko is x plus 3y equals 8. And then sasubstitute ko yung value ng x which is 8, and then we have 8 plus 3y equals 8. Okay, para ma-solve natin yung y, okay, ilalagay natin siya sa my left side at yung mga constant nasa my right side. Okay, ililipat natin yung positive 8 sa my right side. Sa positive, mag-change na sign, magiging negative. Okay, so next, rewrite natin muna yung 8 and then transpose 8, it becomes negative 8. So, now we have 3y equals 8 minus 8. And then, we simplify. 3y equals 8 minus 8 is 0. Then, divide both side by 3 para makancel ang 3. So, 3y divided by 3 is y, or cancel 3. Then, 0 divided by 3 is 0. Then, the value of y is equal to 0. Okay, again, ang value ng x natin ay 8. Ang value ng y natin is 0. Therefore, the solution of the system of linear equation is positive 8, 0. Okay, now let's have an example number 3 on how to find the solution of the systems of linear equation, which is x plus y equals 2 and 3x minus y equals negative 2. So, ang method na gagamitin ko is elimination method. Okay? So, first step is to solve for x and eliminate y. Okay, so sa equation natin, sa system of equation natin, mag-iisip tayo ng paraan kung paano matatanggal or paano ma-eliminate ang may variable na y. Okay, so ang gagawin ko is i-add ko yung dalawang equation para ma-eliminate yung y. So, 2 plus negative 2 is 0. And then, positive y plus negative y, okay? So, different sign, then subtract. So, y minus y is 0. Or, ika-cancel na lang natin yung y. And then, x plus 3x is 4x. Then, 4x equals 0. Para ma-solve natin yung x, i-divide natin siya both side by 4. Para 4x divided by 4 is x, or cancel 4. And then, 0 divided by 4. The answer is 0. So, ang value ng x natin ngayon is equal to 0. And then, the next step is to solve the value of y. Since nakuha na natin yung value ng x, which is 0, isa-substitute na lang natin siya alinman dyan sa dalawang equation. Pwede nating gamitin. Okay? So, this time, ang gagamitin ko is the first equation. X plus y equals 2. Then, substitute the value of x, which is 0. So, 0 plus y equals 2. 0 plus y is equal to y equals 2. Therefore, ang value ng y natin is equal to 2. And now, ang solution ng system of linear equation natin ay 0, positive 2. Okay, next example. So, what if ganito yung equation natin? Okay? So, y equals x plus 5 and 3x equals 2y minus 9. Okay, so dapat pag nag-solve tayo ng linear equation, ng system of linear equation, kailangan naka-standard form ang mga equation natin. Okay, so i-change natin yung dalawang equation into standard form. Okay, change natin sa standard form ang y equals x plus 5. And then, equals yung constant na 5. Okay, and then, kailangan ax or yung may variable na x, which is nasa my left side, right side, ililipat natin sa left side. So, pag naglipat tayo, magbabago ang sign. So, magiging negative x. And then, yung may variable na y natin is nasa my left side. So, i-rewrite na lang natin. So, negative x plus y equals 5. Next, 3x equals 2y minus 9. Okay, and then, yung may variable na x, we have 3x. Then, equals yung constant na negative 9. Then, yung 2y, which is nasa right side, ililipat natin sa may left side ng equation. So, 2y, itatranspose natin sa kabila, positive 2y, mag-change ng sign. So, magiging negative 2y. So, standard form natin ngayon is 3x minus 2y equals negative 9. Okay? So, since naka-standard form na siya, okay, eto na yung gagamitin natin para ma-solve ang system of linear equation natin. Okay, and then next, i-rewrite natin yung nakuha nating standard form, which is negative x plus y equals 5. And then, 3x minus 2y equals negative 9. And then, mag-isip tayo ng paraan para ma-solve yung x, tapos ma-eliminate ang y. Okay, so since ang y ang eliminate, para maging pareho silang 2y, ita-times ko yung first equation sa 2. So, 2 times negative x is negative 2x. 2 times y is positive 2y. And then, 2 times 5 equals positive 10. Okay, and then, i-rewrite ko lang yung 3x minus 2y equals negative 9. Okay, and then the next step is i-rewrite uli natin yung mga equation, yung new equation na nakuha natin. So, negative 2x plus 2y equals 10 and 3x minus 2y equals negative 9. Okay, so plus ang gagamitin natin para ma-eliminate ang 2y. 10 plus negative 9 is positive 1. And then, positive 2y plus negative 2y is 0, or ika-cancel na lang natin ang 2y. Okay, and then negative 2x plus 3x equals, okay, so addition rule, pag same sign, i-add, pag different sign, subtract. So, since different, subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1, and then copy the variable x. Or kahit wala na yung 1. Okay, ang value ng x natin ngayon is equal to 1. Okay, so this time, isa-solve natin yung value ng y. So, para ma-solve ang value ng y, isa-substitute natin yung nakuha nating value ng x, which is 1. Okay, pipili tayo ng isa sa equation. Okay, so this time, ang gagamitin kong equation is negative 2x plus 2y equals 10. And then, saka ko isa-substitute yung value na nakuha natin, yung value ng x, which is positive 1. Isa-substitute ko siya doon sa napili kong equation. Okay, so negative 2 times, palitan natin yung x ng 1 plus 2y equals 10. Okay, and then simplify, negative 2 times 1 is negative 2, then 2y equals 10. And solve for y, so i-rewrite ko yung 2y sa my left side, and then rewrite 10, then yung negative 2, ililipat ko sa my right side. Okay, so negative 2, it becomes positive 2. Okay, next, isi-simplify natin yung 2y equals 10 plus 2. Okay, di-divide natin siya both side by 2. Okay, 2y divided by 2 is y, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So, the value of y is equal to 6. Therefore, ang solution ng system of linear equation natin in 2 variable is positive 1, positive 6. And that's all for now. Sana po nakatulong. Thank you!